Anybody who gets into dentistry because you think it's totally a medical field, but I would totally relate dentistry to psychology. You are with the patient in good times and bad times.
Yeah.
And I feel like you're not a good dentist if you don't love people. We love people, and I don't know if that's how our parents raised us, but we like making friends, and we have a ton of friends now due to this career.
In dentistry, once you're into it, you realize that it's a lot of art involved. You work with your hands all day, you work with your eyes, you're trying to do something aesthetic, it's something beautiful. So you're working with, little pearls that you're defining with your hands. And that's super cool. Sometimes it's the smallest detail that you have to fix. And sometimes it's the whole restoration, of a mouth.
Absolutely.
But if you make the patient happy, you sleep well at night.
Bo Diego and I were born and raised in Arizona, which is border town of Los Algodones. Actually, my dad was raised here in Los Algodones. People are coming to Los Algodones for all kinds of treatments, from composites to braces to the mostly common dental implants. We're about 1 block away from the border, so we're super close. You can walk here, you don't have to drive. Leave your car on the US side, walk across, and we can come meet you at the border, or you can walk right to us.
But as a whole town, you're interested in having people be safe, be comfortable, eat well, have a great time, and that's the main goal of the whole town. One of the great things about Sota Dental is the communication we have between our specialists. Our patients sometimes think that it is only us, behind all the ideas and
all the magic,
but it's not. We do collaborate. We do back up ourselves, with the intelligence, the experience of our specialist, and we may not be in the same spot, but we do use a virtual platform where we stay in touch, have a question, we're right on. We share our cases, actually. We can do that with this virtual platform. I think working with Sota Dental, since we started, has definitely pushed our bar higher.
We love being able to communicate with doctors, leading doctors, specialists all over Mexico. Cancun, for example, Dr. Gilberto is so much help. So this is one of the great things about Sota Dental, is being able to just click a button and be like, hey man, what do you think about this implant case? And we have experience, but there's nothing better than a group of minds thinking together. Dr. Galvez is, I would say, one of the leading root canal specialists in Mexico, and it's so great to have him in the team. Any question about if a tooth should go to a root canal or if it shouldn't, he's just a master at it. Dr. Galvez posts every one of his cases online. It's out there for every dentist in the world to see, and his cases are well
recognized,
yeah.
Is exposed to criticism, obviously, but once you see that instead of criticism, he's receiving a lot of, you could say, recognition, and questions from other specialists, you know that he's doing a great job. I think that the service that we give here is super friendly and so humane and so interested in bonding with the person first, and actually knowing what they want, what they're here for. We sometimes, talk to our patients for a long time before we start a treatment, and
yeah, sometimes our assistants are like, Doc, you gotta get to it.
Yeah. We're honest with them. We do tell them what they really need. We're not trying to sell out there,
Because we're honest, we're trustworthy, and we're good at what we do.